Now let us see the theorem of multiplication of t into f of t. Theorem. If L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of t into f of t equal to minus d by ds of f of s. Proof. We know that L of f of t equal to f of s, that can be written as f of s equal to L of f of t. Taking derivatives on both sides with respect to s, we are getting d by ds of f of s, which is equal to d by ds of integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Here L of f of t we replaced into in terms of integral form. Now integrating with respect to ds, the function e power minus st, we are getting minus t into e power minus st. Therefore, by taking minus outside and rewriting the function, we are getting minus integral 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t into t dt. So this can be written as minus L of t into f of t. Corollary. We have L of t into f of t, which is equal to minus d divided by ds of f of s. Now we have to find L of t square into f of t, which can be written as L of t into t f of t, that is can be written as minus d by ds into minus d by ds of f of s. It can be written as minus 1 the whole square d square by ds square of f of s. Similarly, we can write L of t cube into f of t is equal to minus 1 cube d cube divided by ds cube of f of s, and L of t power 4 into f of t, which can be written as minus 1 power 4 into d power 4 divided by ds power 4 of f of s. In general, we can write L of t power n into f of t equal to minus 1 power n into d power n by ds power n of f of s. Now let us see few problems using the theorem t into f of t. Problem number 1. Find L of t into sine 2t. We know that L of t into f of t equal to minus d by ds of f of s. Here the t is transformed into minus d by ds, and L of f of t is transformed into f of s. We know the result of sine 2t, which is equal to 2 divided by s square plus 2 square. Now Laplace transform of t into sine 2t, that is minus t is transformed into minus d by ds, and Laplace transform of sine 2t is 2 divided by s square plus 2 square. Now after differentiating, we are getting the result Laplace transform of t into sine 2t, which is equal to 4s divided by s square plus 4 the whole square. Now let us see the second problem. Find the Laplace transform of t into e power minus t cos ht. Solution. We know that L of t into f of t equal to minus d by ds of f of s, and also we know the Laplace transform of cos hat, and if the function is multiple by e power minus t, here s is replaced by s plus 1. Now we have to find the Laplace transform of t into e power minus s, e power minus t cos ht. So here the t is transformed into minus d by ds with the above result. Now differentiating once, we get a result Laplace transform of t into e power minus t cos ht, which is equal to s plus 1 the whole square plus 1 divided by s plus 1 the whole square minus 1. Now let us see the third problem. Find Laplace transform of t square into e power 3t into sine t. Solution. We know that Laplace transform of t square into f of t, which is equal to minus 1 the whole square d square by ds square of f of s. Here t square is transformed into minus 1 the whole square d square by ds square, and L of f of t is transformed into f of s. We know that Laplace transform of sin t equal to 1 divided by s square plus 1 square, and if the function multiple by e power 3t, then s is replaced by s minus 3. Now we can apply Laplace transform of t square into e power 3t into sin t. In the above term, we can multiple minus 1 the whole square d square by ds square of 1 divided by s minus 3 the whole square plus 1. Here the t square is transformed into minus 1 the whole square d square by ds square. After differentiation of first time, we are getting the result d by ds of 2 into s minus 3 divided by s minus 3 the whole square plus 1 the whole square. Once again, apply the differentiation, we get the result Laplace transform of t square into sin 3t sin t, which is equal to 6 into s minus 3 the whole square minus 2 divided by s minus 3 the whole square plus 1 whole cube.